Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Blender Jar.
Number 5.
Blendtec Total Classic Original Blender. Easy blending cycles, one-touch buttons, 6 pre-programmed cycles, pulse, and 10-speed manual. Patented blade / 80% thicker, stainless steel forged blade, with wings, for amazingly smooth. Self-cleaning, add a little soap and water, your jar can clean itself in less than 1 minute. Large batches. P3 Wildside jar is a 90-ounce volume jar with 36-ounce blending capacity. Warming soup. Blendtec blenders heat soups and drinks through blade friction heat.
Number 4.
Blendtec Professional 800 Black Blender. Black molded plastic finish base. Impact resistant, P3 coat polyester Wildside Plus jar with vented gripper lid. 3.8 peak horsepower motor. 11-speed capacitive touch slider plus pulse. Illuminated, capacitive touch interface.
Number 3.
Oster Reverse Crush Counterforms Blender. 1000 power watts / 600 blending watts. Cord length, 16 inches. 3 programmed smart settings technology takes the guesswork out of blending with easy. Dual direction blade technology automatically moves stainless steel, 6-point blade. Crush Pro 6 blade uses stainless steel, 6-point designed to pulverize and chop with precision. Oster 10-year Duralist all-metal drive limited warranty for lasting durability.
Number 2.
Oster 6812-001 car 16-speed blender. 700 power watts / 450 blending watts. Crush Pro 4 blade uses stainless steel, 4-point designed to pulverize and chop with precision. Oster 10-year Duralist all-metal drive limited warranty for lasting durability. "16 speeds from pulse to puree. For free." Five-cup Borclass glass jars dishwasher safe for easy cleanup.
Number 1.
Hamilton Beach Power Elite Multifunction. Blender and chopper in one appliance. "40 ounces glass pitcher and 3-cup chopping bowl." Revolutionary wave action system continuously pulls mixture down into the blades. Unique, no mess spad with hinged cap makes pouring easy. 4 blending buttons with 12 blending functions to make milkshakes and crush ice.